Paying a visit to a friend. Short dialogues. Today we are going to pay a visit to a dear friend. Her name is Ingrid Marjorie. She's a very dear friend who worked with us for 13 years. Currently she's happily married and she gave birth to her first baby, Ivan, now 13 months old. Interesting enough is the fact that Ingrid's husband, Angel, had a baby girl too, now 2 years of age, Isabella.
Siga, apartamento 504.
Muchas gracias.
This is the apartment building where Ingrid Marjorie lives. So let's go in. Apartment 502, 5th floor, no elevator, so we have to walk up the stairs. Hola Ingrid Marjorie.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Muy bien, ¿tú cómo estás?
Muy bien.
Ivonne. Hola Ivonne.
Diga, hola, yes. What a pleasant surprise. Please come in. Welcome to my home.
Thank you very much. How is life treating you?
Life is good, life is wonderful.
Okay.
This is one of the most interesting periods of my life. I'm enjoying my role as a mother and homemaker. And motherhood is definitely a challenge.
That's very good. That sounds very good. So tell me about your role as a mother.
Well, it's not easy. I get up very early every day. Yvonne just started to walk, so I have to be careful because she wants to look into everything. Both of them are very active all day long. It's a 24-hour-a-day job.
Oh, that sounds interesting. And what about Mother's Day? Did you celebrate Mother's Day?
Yes, I did. I had a wonderful day. I got many presents, and after that we went out to eat.
Oh, that's good too. And how's your husband?
He's doing fine. He's working right now.
Making a lot of money?
I don't know. He never tell me. Never says.
Okay, that's we're very happy that you are also happy with your family and your role as a mother. But that's it for the interview today. So we'll see you next time. We hope you watch the video and you give us your comments. You're going to watch it in YouTube in our channel. And we have to get going.
Okay. I will watch the video and give you some comments, and don't be a stranger.
Okay. Okay, Yvonne, mucho gusto en verte. Ingrid, nice seeing you. We'll be in contact.
Ciao. Bye.
Ciao. Bueno. Ciao.